Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can enable and disable Dolby Atmos on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. So if you are using just your loudspeakers, and then Dolby Atmos is always enabled and you cannot disable it. You can find the button to enable and disable Dolby Atmos by swiping twice from the top towards the middle, and then you will open quick access, and over here you should be able to find Dolby Atmos, which in my case is over here. If you don't have it for some reason, then you can press this pen icon in order to find all buttons over here, and then you can hold, drag and drop it towards the top side over here in order to have it always visible in the quick access. So if you are, like I said, if you are using the loudspeakers and then you press Dolby Atmos, then over here you have the text that it is unable, that you are unable to disable Dolby Atmos when you are using loudspeakers. And if you, for instance, use a Bluetooth device like earbuds or something similar, then in this case you can actually change or turn off Dolby Atmos if needed. So as you can see right now over here, I am connected to my earbuds, and if I go back to the same button over here, I have Dolby Atmos, I can just disable it, no problem. And even if I close my earbuds, so now I should be disconnected, then Dolby Atmos should be re-enabled automatically, as you can see. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.